యా గుడ్ ఈవినింగ్, వెల్కమ్ టు శ్రీ అకాడమీ. మనము ఎస్టర్డే కూడా లైవ్లో ఈసెట్ 2025 తెలంగాణ పేపర్ ఎక్స్ప్లెనేషన్ చూసాము. ఇంకొన్ని బిట్స్ క్యాలిక్యులస్లో కొంత టాపిక్ అండ్ ఆల్సో మ్యాట్రిసెస్ బిట్స్ అండ్ ఆల్సో ట్రిగనామెట్రీ బిట్స్ మనం ఇవాళ లైవ్లో మనం ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేసుకుందాము అండ్ ఆల్సో సొల్యూషన్స్ తెలుసుకుందాము. యా myself, I'm Phanindra, SREE Academy Director. Okay, I'm going to teach mathematics topic. Okay, coming to our session here live, మనము ECET 2025 వచ్చిన క్వశ్చన్ పేపర్ ఎక్స్ప్లెనేషన్ కోసము మనం లైవ్లో రావడం జరిగింది. రైటా? అండ్ వన్ మోర్ థింగ్, ఎవరైతే ఈసెట్ 2026కి ప్రిపేర్ అవుతున్నారో మనం ఇస్టర్డే కూడా చెప్పుకున్నాము. ఈసెట్ 2026 ప్రిపేర్ అయ్యే స్టూడెంట్స్ కోసము ఏపీ, తెలంగాణ, ఆంధ్రప్రదేశ్, తెలంగాణ ఈసెట్ 2026 ప్రిపేర్ అయ్యే వాళ్ళ స్టూడెంట్స్ కోసము మనకు ఆన్లైన్లో కోర్స్ అవైలబుల్గా ఉంది. అండ్ ఆల్సో వీఆర్ రన్నింగ్ ఆఫ్లైన్ క్లాసెస్ ఆల్సో ఇన్ దిల్సుఖ్ నగర్. ఓకే, నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ శ్రీ అకాడమీ కోచింగ్ సెంటర్లో మీకు ఆఫ్లైన్లో ఆన్లైన్లో బోత్ ప్రొవైడ్ జరుగుతుంది. ఆన్లైన్లో దట్టు మీరున్న ప్లేస్ నుంచెలే మీరు ఈసెట్కి ప్రిపేర్ అవుదాం అనుకున్నట్టయితే మా యాప్ చాలా మంచిగా యూజ్ అవుతుంది. మీకు మా అప్లికేషన్ ఉంది. ప్లే స్టోర్లో వెళ్ళి శ్రీ అకాడమీ ఈసెట్ అని టైప్ చేస్తే మీకు అప్లికేషన్ వస్తుంది. అది డౌన్లోడ్ చేసుకోండి. డౌన్లోడ్ చేసుకొని ఈసెట్ 2026కి సంబంధించిన వీడియో లెక్చర్స్ ఉంటాయి. మీకు ఇక్కడ వీడియో లెక్చర్స్ ఎనీ టైం యాక్సెస్ చేసే విధంగా వీడియో లెక్చర్స్ ఉంటాయి. ఆల్ బ్రాంచెస్కి ఈసీఈ, కంప్యూటర్స్ అండ్ సివిల్, మెకానికల్ అండ్ ట్రిపుల్ బ్రాంచ్కి సంబంధించిన వీడియో లెక్చర్స్ ఎనీ టైం యాక్సెస్ చేసే విధంగా వీడియో లెక్చర్స్ ఉంటాయి. దాంతోపాటు టాపిక్ వైజ్ ఎగ్జామ్స్ ఉంటాయి. అండ్ ఆల్సో మీ ప్రిపరేషన్కి యూజ్ అయ్యే విధంగా మెటీరియల్ కూడా దానిలోనే ప్రొవైడ్ చేయడం జరుగుతుంది. అయితే ఇది ఆఫర్ రన్ అవుతుందండి 2026కి ప్రిపేర్ అయ్యే సెకండ్ ఇయర్ కంప్లీట్ అయ్యే స్టూడెంట్స్ అందరి కోసము. ప్రజెంట్ అప్ టు ఒక 10 days వరకు మీకు ఈ ఆఫర్ రన్ అవుతుంది. మా వీడియో లెక్చర్స్ అనేది 6,000 రూపీస్ ఉంటుంది. మీకు ఆల్రెడీ నేను ప్రీవియస్గా చెప్పాను, ఇక్కడ 399 రూపీస్కే మీకు యాక్సెస్ వస్తుంది. మీరు మా ఫోన్ నెంబర్స్కి కాంటాక్ట్ అవుతాయి. మీకు ఇది 399 వచ్చే విధంగా చేస్తారు. మా ఫోన్ నెంబర్స్ వచ్చేసి 8885-352-352. ఈ నెంబర్కి కాంటాక్ట్ అవుతే మీకు ఆన్లైన్ కోర్స్ అనేది 399 వచ్చే విధంగా చేస్తారు. కాబట్టి నెంబర్స్కి కాంటాక్ట్ అండి. యూటిలైజ్ దిస్ ఆపర్చునిటీ. కాబట్టి ఈసెట్ ప్రిపరేషన్లో మీరు ఇప్పటి నుంచే ప్రాపర్గా ప్రిపేర్ అవుతే మీరు టోటల్ కంటెంట్ అనేది ఈజీగా సాల్వ్ చేయగలుగుతారు. ఎందుకంటే నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ వీడియో లెక్చర్స్ ఉంటాయి. అట్లా ఈచ్ అండ్ ఎవ్రీ టాపిక్కి సంబంధించిన వీడియో లెక్చర్స్ వస్తాయి. జస్ట్ అన్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్, డిజిటల్ ఎలక్ట్రానిక్స్ అనేది ఉంది. ఇక్కడ మా దగ్గర డిజిటల్ ఎలక్ట్రానిక్స్కి సంబంధించిన వీడియో లెక్చర్స్ అంటే ఈ 3 బ్రాంచెస్కి డిజిటల్ ఎలక్ట్రానిక్స్ అనేది కామన్గా ఉంటుంది. ఈసీఈ, సివిల్, ఈసీఈ, కంప్యూటర్స్ అండ్ ట్రిపుల్ బ్రాంచెస్కి ఈ 3 బ్రాంచెస్కి డిజిటల్స్ కామన్గా ఉంటుంది. ఒక 42 hours వీడియో కంటెంట్ ఉందండి. మీరు ఎక్స్టెండెడ్గా బీటెక్ చదివే వరకు కూడా, అంటే డిప్లొమా కంప్లీట్ చేసి బీటెక్ వెళ్ళినా కూడా డిజిటల్కి సంబంధించిన టోటల్ కంటెంట్ అట్లా ఈచ్ అండ్ ఎవ్రీ టాపిక్ ఉంది. మీరు కంటెంట్ చెక్ చేయండి, యాప్ డౌన్లోడ్ చేయండి. యాప్ డౌన్లోడ్ చేసి యూటిలైజ్ చేసుకోండి. ఈ ఆపర్చునిటీని యూటిలైజ్ చేసుకోండి. 2026 కోసము అండ్ 27 కోసం ప్రిపేర్ అయ్యే స్టూడెంట్స్, ఏపీ, తెలంగాణకు సంబంధించిన డిప్లొమా స్టూడెంట్స్ అందరికీ ఈ ఈసెట్ పాయింట్ ఆఫ్ వ్యూలో మేము హెల్ప్ చేస్తాము. కాబట్టి మా నెంబర్కి కాంటాక్ట్ అవ్వండి. డిస్క్రిప్షన్లో కూడా యాప్ లింక్ ఉంది అండ్ ఆల్సో ఫోన్ నెంబర్స్ ఉన్నాయి. అండ్ ఆల్సో each and everything you are going to get in our description. Okay, follow to that. Right, coming to our session, that yesterday మనం క్యాలిక్యులస్కి సంబంధించిన కొన్ని బిట్స్ చెప్పుకున్నాం. దట్టు లిమిట్స్ అండ్ డిఫరెన్షియేషన్, అప్లికేషన్స్ ఆఫ్ డిఫరెన్షియేషన్, ఇంటిగ్రేషన్, అప్లికేషన్స్ ఆఫ్ ఇంటిగ్రేషన్ అండ్ ఆల్సో మేజర్ టాపిక్ దట్ ఈస్ డిఫరెన్షియల్ ఈక్వేషన్ సంబంధించిన 2025 ఈసెట్లో వచ్చిన బిట్స్ని మనము చూసాము. ఇప్పుడు సేమ్ నెక్స్ట్ టాపిక్స్, రైట్, తెలంగాణకు సంబంధించి 2 టాపిక్స్, లాప్లాస్ ట్రాన్స్ఫార్మ్ 4 year సిరీస్కి సంబంధించిన బిట్స్ కూడా ఇప్పుడు చూద్దాము. రైట్, బేసిక్ క్వశ్చన్ దట్ ఈస్ వి గాట్ ఇయర్ లాప్లాస్ ట్రాన్స్ఫార్మ్ ఆఫ్ ఇంటిగ్రల్ 0 to t cos h3u du వచ్చింది. వెన్ ఎవర్ ఇఫ్ యూ హ్యావింగ్ ఇంటిగ్రల్ లాప్లాస్ ట్రాన్స్ఫార్మ్ ఆఫ్ ఇంటిగ్రల్ 0 to t f of u du is there, we can write this is as integration is there, it's going to be converted. We have to divide with s, 1 by s into, we can say f of s, that is Laplace transform of f of t dt. That we can write as 1 by s into f of s. Whatever f of s, if you know, without this indirectly you have to divide with s. right? From this I am writing a cos h, Laplace transform of cos h 3t is going to be s divided by s square minus 3 square, that is nothing but 9. Means indirectly we having integral, means integral, simply if you integral, that is going to be Laplace, that is f of x. We can say this is as f of s. Now answer for this question is going to be simply s 1 by s into s divided by s square minus 9. Now s is cancel. This is going to be f of s in this point of view, f of s. Here we have to substitute. We need from here f of 4. f of 4 is nothing but you have to replace s with 4. Simply 1 divided by 4 square, 16 minus 9. That's what here 1 by 7. The answer is going to be 1 by 7. Okay, coming to next problem. In the Laplace transform only. Here Laplace transform, we define f of t and we want a Laplace transform of f of t. I am defining f of t by using unit step function. Why? Because we having a t greater than 1. Always Laplace transform is from 0 to infinity. Here we 0 to infinity only, greater than 1 is there. From 1 to infinity we have to integrate. That is I am writing here by using unit step function f of t equals to, we can take a e power t minus 1, that is greater than t is there, that's why u of t minus 1. Same function is there here, t minus 1 is there, t minus 1 is there. We can have Laplace transform of f of t minus a into u of t minus a. We can write the answer directly, e power minus as into f of s. That is f of t Laplace transform is going to be f of s. With that, here Laplace transform of f of t. f of t is what? E power t minus 1 into u of t minus 1. Simply we are eliminating t minus 1, indirectly t minus 1 means you are going to get a e power minus. In place of a we are having 1, that is a 1 into s is going to be s, and e power t, that is a Laplace transform of simply e power t only. E power t Laplace transform is going to be e power minus s divided by s minus 1. Here that is a e power minus s divided by s minus 1. We having here, that is e power minus s divided by s minus 1. Right? Integral 0 to infinity t into e power minus t into sin t dt is there. Right? Coming to this, here by using the formula, here integral symbol is there, that is based upon Laplace transform only. Laplace transform, definite integration through Laplace transform, or integral 0 to infinity. Always Laplace transform of f of t is nothing but integral 0 to infinity e power minus st into f of t. For suppose if we are getting this one as integral 0 to infinity e power, we do not have e power, right? That's why e power integral 0 to infinity, I am eliminating this. If you having f of t dt, simply we can take here in place of s you have to write 0. That is e power 0 into t is nothing but e power 0 1. That's why we eliminated this. Same Laplace transform, after finding Laplace transform we can take we have to substitute s equal to 0. With that, I am writing here integral, first of all t into, I am writing Laplace transform of t into e power minus t into sin t. By using first shift theorem, first of all I will find the Laplace transform of t into sin t. We know the formula, that is e power, that is t into sin at Laplace transform is nothing but 2as divided by s square plus a square whole square. With this Laplace transform of t into sin t we can write directly. That's what, in place of a we having a 1 here, that's why replace a with 1, that is 2s divided by s square plus 1 square whole square. I want Laplace transform of e power minus t into sin t. That means you have to write Laplace transform of t into sin t. In that you have to replace s with s minus 1 is there, that's why you have to write s plus 1. By replacing s with s plus 1, you are going to get this answer. Simply I am replacing, that is 2 into s plus 1 divided by s square plus 1 whole square. Here integral 0 to infinity, that is f of t only, that is Laplace transform of f of t la s place la s minus s equal to 0 rayali. Indirectly f of this is going to be f of s. There you have to substitute s equal to 0, then it is going to be your answer. S equal to 0 if you substitute, that is 2 into 1 divided by 0 square plus 1 whole square. Here also we have to write, just we written wrong, that is in place of s we have to write s plus 1. It's going to be s plus 1 whole square plus 1 whole square. Here s place la s plus 1 raste. Okay, with that s equal to, if you write 0, that is 1 square plus 1 square whole square, that is nothing but 2 divided by 4 is nothing but 1 by 2. Here we are having 1 by 2. Simply what we are doing, actually you have to write the answer for this, that is t into e power minus t into sin t. By using first shifting theorem we are finding the answer. Before first shifting theorem, that is t into sin et, by using the formula, if you know this formula we can write t into sin t, that is 2s by s square plus 1 whole square. By using first shifting theorem, e power minus t eliminating, indirectly substituting s into s to s plus 1, that simply s in place of s I substituted s plus 1. s 2 into s plus 1 divided by s plus 1 whole square plus 1 whole square. In place of s, if you write 0, you are going to get an answer, right? Coming to another problem, that is inverse Laplace. Now Laplace transform problems. Now inverse Laplace transform, that is inverse Laplace of 1 by s into, we can get this answer in two ways. By using partial fraction method we can get, and one more, that is simply eliminate 1 by s and divided by s, means indirectly you have to apply divided by s there, that's why you have to integrate the remaining answer. We will do in two methods. First method, that is I will write by using partial fraction. One is s, another one is s minus 1. Writing partial fraction for 1 by s into s minus 1, that is simply I want s value, that's why eliminate s, substitute s equal to 0 in remaining function. After eliminating s, we are going to get 1 by s minus 1. In that 1 by s minus 1, in that you have to substitute s equal to 0, 1 divided by 0 minus 1, that is nothing but minus 1 you will get. 1 by s minus 1 eliminate, substitute s equals to 1, that is 1 divided by 1, you will get plus. We have to get inverse Laplace for this, that is nothing but inverse Laplace of minus 1 by s plus inverse Laplace of 1 by s minus 1. That's what inverse Laplace here, that is minus 1 plus e power t. E power t minus 1 or 1 minus 1 plus e power t, where it is indirectly e power t minus 1, your answer. Either you can go through with simply I will write inverse Laplace transform of 1 by s minus 1. What is that? E power t, this is. I want inverse Laplace transform of, I am dividing whatever this function with s, that's why you have to integrate from 0 to t e power t. Now integration of e power t is going to be e power t, substituting from 0 to t, upper limit is t, lower limit is 0, that is e power t minus 1. That's what your answer. You can go through with two methods. One is by partial fraction method, another one by that is divided by s. Okay, in any manner you are going to get same thing. Inverse Laplace of s plus 1 by s square plus 2s plus 2 is there. Once again by using first shifting theorem we got answer, that is e power at into cos bt. In that you need a square plus b square, means you need a value and b value. I am writing the answer for this, that is inverse Laplace transform of s plus 1 divided by s plus 1 whole square plus 1 I will write. This is going to be s square plus 2s plus 1 plus 1. S square plus 2x plus 2, you are going to get same thing. That's why here I am eliminating s plus 1, that's why you have to multiply with e power minus t into inverse Laplace of replacing s plus 1 with s divided by s square plus 1 e power minus t into s divided by s square plus 1 is nothing but cos t. Here a value is going to be 1. If you compare this one with our answer, that is in place of a we having minus 1, in place of b we having 1, that is a square plus b square means minus 1 whole square plus 1 whole square is nothing but 2, where it is and first option we are having. Simply comparison, right, by using indirectly basic problem only, that is first shifting theorem just he asked in inverse Laplace transform, right. Convolution function of 1 and sin t, you need a convolution function, directly convolution answer. Laplace transform of, for suppose convolution is represented with two functions, that is f of t convolved with g of t is there, we will write this is as a integral 0 to t f of x into g of t minus x dx. Simply from 0 to 2 you have to write indirectly into with respect to x. Whatever f of t is there, we are replacing with x, g of t in place of t we are going to replace t minus x, you have to integrate. This is convolution formula. If you convolution formula, if you apply Laplace transform directly, actually convolution formula if you having like this, f of t convolution of g of t is nothing but simply f of s into g of s, but no need of this, we need convolution only, that is 1 convolved with g of t is nothing but sin t. If you apply this formula, that is integral 0 to t, that is f of x is nothing but 1, that is nothing but 1 only, into g of t minus, replace t with t minus 1, sin of t minus x, integrate with respect to x. Now we know integration of sin x only, integration of sin x is nothing but minus cos x, x is nothing but t minus x, you have to divide with x quotient, that is minus 1, from 0 to t, first upper limit, that is here minus minus cancel, cos t minus t is nothing but 0 minus cos 0 means t minus 0 is nothing but t, t minus t is 0, t minus 0 is going to be t, that is cos 0 is 1, 1 minus cos t, 1 minus cos t is your answer. Okay, right, cos t minus 1 also you are going to get, if you don't follow like this, if you know this formula, simply by using this we are getting, that is convolution formula. Okay, that is the application of Laplace transform, that is the Laplace transform of the solution of initial value, that is indirectly y of 0, y dash of 0 always is going to be 0, based upon that here u of t minus 3 is unit step function is given, that is simply y double dash plus 9y equals to 9 into u of t minus 3 we got. I am applying Laplace transform for both, that is Laplace transform of this total function I am applying. Right, now Laplace transform of y double dash, why, because y of 0, y double dash of 0 is 0, simply I am writing s square into y of s minus s into y dash of 0 minus y of 0 I have to write, means indirectly those are zeros, that's why I am writing directly 9 into y of s equals to, here 9 into, here u of t minus 3, Laplace transform of u of t minus 3 is nothing but e power minus 3s divided by s. Simply with that e power minus 3s divided by s is there. If I take y of s, it is only asked, that is Laplace transform of the solution, that is y of s only. Simply if I take y of s cover, it is going to be s square plus 9, that is 9 into e power minus 3s divided by, already s is there, if you take this one multiplication is there, if you take this side it's going to be in division, that is where it is 9 into e power minus 3s divided by s into s square plus 9, this is your answer. Basic problem, very easy. Sometimes if you will get difficulties here if you get these values are different, right? Right, coming to this problem, this is definite integration problem, nothing is there, that is minus pi by 2 to 3 pi by 2 cos square 4x dx. We know this is the last problem here in your paper, but we'll discuss matrices bits also now. That is cos square x integration is going to be x by 2 plus sin 2x by 4 plus c. This is the formula. Based upon this formula I am modifying. Here I am writing integral of cos of 4x. I am writing. I have to replace x with 4x. Means indirectly whenever multiplication is there, it is in the form of ax plus b form. That's why you will have to divide with x quotient. That is, I will write in place of x we having 4x. 4x by 2 plus sin 2x divided by 4 whole divided by indirectly you have to divide with x quotient, that is 4. This is going to be integration of cos 4x, cos square 4x. Now I have to integrate from minus pi by 2 to 3 pi by 2. That means you have to apply minus pi by 2 to 3 pi by 2. If you substitute here, that is going to be substitute here, that is 4x divided by 4 is nothing but x by 2 only. In place of x, first upper limit, that is 3 by 2 by 2. X value is going to be 3 by 2, 3 pi by 2 divided by here 4 cancel, only 2 plus sin of 2 into 3 pi by 2 divided by 4 into 4 16 minus lower limit, that is minus pi by 2. Here indirectly minus pi by 2 divided by 2 plus sin of, here indirectly you have to write 4x here. Here it is going to be 4x means 4 into 2x, that is nothing but 8x here. Here you have to write 8x. Here 8 only, 8 into minus pi by 2 divided by 16. This is lower limit. Now simplify. Here 2 4s means sin n pi always is going to be 0. You will get this is as 0. Here also you will get minus term. Sin of minus theta is going to be minus sin theta. But here if you simplify, it is going to be 4. Sin n pi is also 0. You will get this is also 0. With that, this is going to be 3 pi by 4 minus into minus plus pi by 4. That's what 4 pi divided by 4. 4 cancel. Answer is going to be pi. That simply answer is going to be pi. Simplification, if you know formula, based upon the formula you are getting. అంటే simplification method sometimes difficulty గా ఉండొచ్చు, but if you do you are going to get answers, right? See the value of here Fourier series problem, the value of a3 in the Fourier expansion for the function, compulsory you have to use the formula side. Fourier series, Fourier series means indirectly if I say that is a f of x equal to, we know that is a a0 by 2 plus sigma n equal to 1 to infinity, that is a an cos nx plus bn sin nx. This is a Fourier series. We having Fourier coefficients that is a0 and an and bn. We have a formulas. We need only a3. That too you have to take from minus pi to plus pi. I want a3 only. I am writing a3 only. An is nothing but 1 by pi from minus pi to pi f of x into cos nx. N means here 3x. Why? Because we need a3 only. Here f of x is going to be different. From minus pi by 2, minus pi to 0 is going to be 0. 0 into anything is going to be 0. We are having only function that is 0 to pi only. If you write here, it is going to be 1 by pi from 0 to pi x into cos 3x you are going to get. That is integration by parts. This is algebraic function. This is trigonometric function. First function is going to be x and t is going to indirectly trigonometry is going to be second function. If you apply integration by parts formula, that is first function, that is Bernoulli's rule also you can use, x into integration of cos 3x is going to be sin 3x divided by 3 minus, after plus minus, x derivative is going to be 1 into sin 3x by 3 integration is going to be minus cos 3x divided by 3 into 3 9. Now you have to apply from 0 to pi. Why? Because one derivative is going to be 0, it's going to be, after that it's going to be 0. Now substitute pi. If I substitute pi here, sin n pi always is going to be 0, pi into something is going to be 0, first upper limit. Next minus into minus plus, cos n pi is going to be indirectly 3 into pi, that is minus 1 to the power of 3 divided by 9. Next lower limit, 0 into anything is going to be 0, here plus cos 3 into 0 is going to be cos 0 is nothing but 1 by 9. Now it's going to be minus 1 by 9 minus 1 by 9 minus 2 by 9, that 2 into, just we forgotten, 1 by pi. Here you will get minus 2 by 9 pi. Fourth answer is going to be your answer, just I forgotten. But whenever simplifying, here 1 by 5 is a constant always, just I simplified, that is minus 2 by 9 pi. Okay, this is going to be A3 in Fourier series expansion. Any quotient can be asked, right? Based upon that only you have to do, right? He given the value of b1 in f of x equal to x sin x from 0 to 2 pi. For suppose minus pi to pi is there, this is going to be different, this is even function. If you are asking bn means it's going to be 0, but he given f of x, the limits are going to 0 to pi. I am writing only b1 is nothing but 1 by pi integral 0 to 2 pi, f of x is nothing but x into sin x into sin nx, n value is going to be 1, that is sin x. Once again same concept, 1 by pi integral 0 to 2 pi x into sin square x dx. Just before cos square x ఎట్లయితే ఫార్ములా వచ్చిందో, sin square x also we have, that is integral of sin square x dx equals to x by 2 minus sin 2x divided by 4 plus c. This is going to be integration of sin square x. Based upon that, this is algebraic function, once again this is trigonometric function. I am applying integration and substituting the limits, that is 0 to pi, 1 by pi, first x into integration of sin square x is nothing but x by 2 minus sin 2x by 4 minus x derivative 1 integration of x by 2 sin 2x by 4 integration, that is x by 2 already 1 by 2 is there, into x integration x square by 2 minus sin 2x by 4 1 by 4 already is there, into sin 2x integration minus cos 2x divided by 2. Now you have to simplify that to 0 to 2 pi you have to substitute. Whenever pi is there, indirectly x into 2 pi into 1 by pi into already 2 pi into here 2 pi by 2 minus sin 2 pi is going to be 0 minus here 2 pi whole square, that is nothing but 4 pi square divided by 4, already minus into minus plus, once again minus means minus, you will get cos 4 pi, cos 4 pi is 1 divided by 8, that's all. Now simplify, it's going to be 1 by 8 pi you got, this is upper limit, this is only upper limit. Now we need lower limit, that is 0 into anything indirectly you will get 0. Next minus 0 only you are going to get here, minus, already minus is there, minus into this total function, right? Second term is going to be 0. Next minus into minus plus, and cos 0 is going to be minus, and already minus is there, minus 1 by 8. If you substitute lower limit, you got minus 1 by 8 into minus 1 by 8 plus 1 by 2. If you simplify, 2 pi into 2 pi by 2 is nothing but already 1 by pi is there, that is 4 pi square divided by 2 minus 4 pi square divided by 4 minus 1 by 8 plus 1 by 8. This is going to be cancelled. Here you are going to get I can take 4 pi by 4 pi square is a common, 4 pi square by pi. Here 1 by 2 minus 1 by 4 is nothing but 1 by 4. Here 4 get cancelled, 1 pi is also cancelled. Simply what we having, pi. This is the simplification manner, right? Sin square x integration, if you know, is the formula. Based upon it's going to be simplified. You have to substitute upper limit and lower limit. You are going to get an answer. Right. The period of the function f of x equal to sin of pi x by 3. See, always period of sin px is going to be 2 pi by p. Based upon that, in place of p we having pi by 3. That is, here the answer is going to be 2 pi divided by p is nothing but pi by 3. That is pi cancel. Simply if I take, that is 2 into 3 by 1 is nothing but 6. 6 divided by 1, the answer is going to be only simply 6. Coming to this matrix, as a basic problems here, compulsory you have to write the answer. Here we want b to the power of 4, means by using this equation, whatever the function is there, that is ai plus ba whole square equal to a. I am simplifying this is by using a plus b whole square formula, that is simply a square I square plus b square a square plus ab into I into a plus ba into a into I equals to given a. Right. Coming to this problem, here see, simply I need a simplification. Here I into a also is going to be a into I anna kuda a ne vastadi. If you multiply any matrix with identity matrix, you are going to get same. That I can write 2ab into a. This is going to be a square I only plus b square a square equals to given a. I am replaced with this matrices, right? I want a square I, means identity matrix is 1 0 0 1. I am writing a square 0 0 a square. If I multiply identity matrix with a square, you are going to get plus b square into, I want to write here a square term. A square means first row with first column you are going to get first element, that is 0 into 0, 1 into minus 1, 0 minus 1, you will get here minus 1 value. Next second element is going to be first row with second column, you are going to get a second element, that is 0 into 1, 0, 1 into 0 is going to be 0. Next second row with first column, you are going to get here second row first column element, that is minus 1 into 0, 0 into minus 1 is going to be 0 plus in between, minus 1 into 1 minus 1 plus 0 into 0, 0 minus 1 you are going to get equals to, it's not equals to, plus that is 2ab into a, you have to multiply a with 2ab, that is nothing but plus 0 2ab minus 2ab 0 equal to a is going to be 0 1 minus 1 0. This is the matrix, right? Now if I write equation, here first element is going to be a square minus b square plus 0 equal to first element is going to be 0. That means a square equal to b square. I will take second element, that is going to be 2ab, that is 0 plus 0 plus 2ab, that is 2ab equals to 1. That's what from here I can write ab equals to 1 by 2. If I square, why? Because we having here, that's why I will square this a square b square equal to 1 by 4. From here I know a square equal to b square. If I replace a square with b square, b to the power of 4 equal to 1 by 4. That's only asked, that is what is b to the power of 4. b to the power of 4 is nothing but 1 by 4 is our answer. సింప్లిఫికేషన్ ఇయర్ మ్యాథమెటిక్స్లో ఇన్ మ్యాట్రిసెస్ మీన్స్ కంపల్సరీ నెంబర్సే ఉంటాయి, నెంబర్స్ ఎగ్జిస్ట్ చేయాలి. మనకు జనరల్ ఫామ్లో లేదు కాబట్టి సింప్లిఫై చేసి మ్యాట్రిసెస్ చేసి రాసినాం, రైట్. ఇఫ్ యూ డూ ఈచ్ అండ్ ఎవ్రీ క్వశ్చన్ యూ ఆర్ గోయింగ్ టు గెట్ దిస్ ఈస్ ద డైరెక్ట్ ఆన్సర్. సింప్లీ whenever if you are getting this question indirectly in place of theta, if you replace here he represented with f of theta, that's why if you represent theta with minus you are going to get a inverse. How to find means a inverse is nothing but 1 by determinant of a into argent of a. You have to write argent matrix, then after you have to divide with determinant. Here determinant of a always is going to be determinant of a equals to 1 only for this matrix. That means argent matrix of this matrix, simply first element if you check you are going to get an answer. First element is going to be an argent matrix, that is cofactor of cos theta, that is cos theta minus 0. Here you will get cos theta, means compared to this you are going to get here minus sin theta. F of minus theta is nothing but cos theta minus sin theta 0 plus sin theta cos theta 0, 0 0 1 you are going to get. That's why if you find a second element in argent means cofactor of minus sin theta. Cofactor of minus sin theta is nothing but it is at second row in first column, that's why minus 1 to the power of 2 plus 1 into after eliminating second row and first column, that is sin theta minus 0, that is sin theta minus 0 is nothing but sin theta. You got minus sin theta. Second element minus sin theta, f of minus theta sin theta ఉంటుంది. మైనస్ ఎఫ్ ఆఫ్ మైనస్ theta అంటే మైనస్ కాస్ theta అవుతుంది, ఇది కాదు. మైనస్ ఆఫ్ మైనస్ కాస్ theta అంటే ఇక్కడ మైనస్ కాస్ theta అవుతుంది. ఫస్ట్ ఎలిమెంట్ కాస్ thetaనే, సెకండ్ ఎలిమెంట్ మైనస్ sin theta రావాలంటే కంపల్సరీ it's going to be f of minus theta. You can remember that is if you f of theta, it's going to be simply replacing theta with minus theta, you are going to get a inverse. Right, coming to another problem, a given x, y, z we have to find. A given what is y into z divided by x. Y into z divided by x means you have to simplify this equation, right. Actually you can use here we need x value, y value, z value, three values కావాలంటే if you use commerce rule you are going to get x value, y value, z value. Either if you use Gauss-Jordan method you are going to get, but I am using here simplification method, right. ఎందుకంటే nearer గా ఉన్నాయి ఈక్వేషన్స్, దట్స్ వై here if I take this is as equation number 1, if I take equation number 2, this is as equation number 3. Simply if I see this 1 and 2, if I add this both values, both equation 1 plus equation 2, y is going to be eliminated, that is 2x plus 2z equals to 6 plus 2 is nothing but 8. From here I can write x plus z equal to 4. From these two values indirectly y minus z is there. Here by using these two values x minus y plus z, x plus y minus z equals to 1. ఏం చేద్దాం, indirectly x value right, I will take these two values, that's equation 1 and 3. What I am going to get here yz values రెండు ఎలిమినేట్ కావాలి, yz values ఎలిమినేట్ చేయాలి అంటే indirectly okay, right. I will take 3 and 1, that is 3 plus 1. What I am going to get 3x okay, I won't take these two equations, I will take 2 and 3. Why? Because I can eliminate z eliminate అవుతుంది, y eliminate కావాలిగా, y eliminate కావాలి అంటే I will take here simply 3 minus 1. That's what here 3 is nothing but what? 3 is nothing but 2x plus y minus z minus 1 is nothing but minus x minus y minus z is nothing but 3 minus 1, 3 is nothing but 1 minus 6 is nothing but minus 5. That's what if you simplify plus y minus y cancel, 2x minus y is nothing but x minus z is nothing but minus 2z equal to minus 5. From these two values, that is x plus z equal to 4. If I subtract these indirectly, x cancel, minus 3z equals to minus 9, z equals to 3. Now z equal to 3 means if I substitute here, you will get x equals to 1. Now we got z value, x value, that is y value is nothing but simply y equals to, I can take 6 minus of x plus z. X plus z is nothing but 4. Simply this is 4. You will get y equals to 2. Directly we can get by using this. Simply y equals to 2. If you substitute here y equal to 2, 2 into z value is nothing but what? 3 divided by x value 1. 2 into 3. 6 is your answer. The values find out చేయాలి, ఎట్లా ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేస్తారో మీ ఇష్టం. సింప్లిఫికేషన్ మెథడ్ కూడా కంపల్సరీ మ్యాట్రిక్స్ అని అడగట్టు, మ్యాట్రిక్స్ మెథడ్ యూజ్ చేయకుండా కూడా చేయొచ్చు. ఈక్వేషన్ సింపుల్గా ఉన్నాయి కాబట్టి యూజ్ చేసిన. హియర్ ఇన్ ద మ్యాట్రిసెస్ వన్ మోర్ క్వశ్చన్ వీ హ్యావింగ్ దట్ ఈజ్ mod 2ab. For suppose we know determinant of ab, that mod it is not indirectly mod, it's determinant of ab equals always determinant of a into determinant of b. And one more property we have, that is determinant of Ka. If A is n by n matrix, the answer is going to be k to the power of n into determinant of A. Here n is order of matrix, with that is mentioned order, that is determinant of 2 into AB we can write as 2 to the power of order is 3, 2 cube determinant of AB, that is 2 cube is nothing but 8, determinant of A into determinant of E. We know the given determinant of A equals to 2, determinant of B equal to minus 4. Where it is there, that is going to be your answer, right? 8 8s 64, that to minus. Determinant can be minus. Here mod undi kada ani plus 64 పెడతారు మీరు. It's not mod, it is determinant. Okay, determinant can be plus or minus. Okay. Here log of x base root 27. We know log x base a equals to y. From here we can write x equal to a power y. With that, if I write, I want x only, x equal to root 27 whole to the power of 8 by 3. I can write this is as a 3 cube whole to the power of 1 by 2 into 8 by 3. That we can write as 3 to the power of 3 by 2 into 8 by 3. 3 3 get cancelled, 2 4s are 2 to the power 3 to the power of 4. Here indirectly 3 to the power of 4. 3 to the power of 4 is nothing but 81. Simplification here, nothing is there. Coming to partial fraction topic. Right, we having ax plus b equal to c by x minus 1 plus d by x plus 2. We need only c and d values, but this is improper function, means you have to divide numerator with the denominator, must mention. You are going to get x ax plus b. After this, whatever the function is there, we can say answer. First we will convert improper function to proper, that is I am dividing here x minus 1 means x square minus x plus 2x minus 2 you will get. That means indirectly here minus x. X into x, x square minus 1 into x is going to be minus x. next x into 2x, next minus 1 into 2 minus 2. With that you have to divide x cube with x square plus x minus 2. Now I am dividing with x square is there, x cube is there, that's why I am multiplying with x. X into x square is going to be x cube, plus x into x is going to be x square, minus 2 into x is going to be minus 2x. Signs are going to be changed, that is going to be minus x square plus 2x. I want a plus x square, indirectly minus 1. Here I want minus x square, minus x minus 1 into x square is going to be minus x square, minus 1 into plus x is going to be minus x. Next minus 2 into minus 1 is going to be plus 2. That simplify, that is this is going to be plus, plus minus cancel. What is remaining is going to be 3x minus 2. This is going to be coefficient, this is going to be remainder. If you write the equation for this, indirectly it is going to be equals to coefficient 3x minus 2 plus remainder, plus remainder is going to be x minus 1 divided by x minus 1 into x plus 2. I want C and D values. Right, coming to this, if you simplify, you are going to get an answer, that is simply x minus 1, 1 by x plus 2, C value is going to be 0. We done it wrong, here 3x minus 2, coefficient plus remainder, here you will get minus only. We done a wrong thing here. Here this is quotient, this is remainder. This is going to be a quotient, this is going to be a remainder. Means the answer is going to be coefficient, that is x minus 1 plus remainder is going to be 3x minus 2 divided by x minus 1 into x plus 2. This is with that a value is going to be 1, b value is going to be minus 1, but we don't want a and b, we want c and d. That simply one is x minus 1, another one is x plus 2. I want these factors only, I want x minus 1 factor, eliminate x minus 1, substitute x equals to 1, wherever x is there, there substitute 1, that is 3 into 1, 3 minus 2, 1 in numerator, in denominator x minus 1 eliminate cheste x equal to 1 substitute cheyale, 1 plus 2, that is going to be 3. Next x plus 2, x plus 2 eliminate cheyale, x equal to minus 2 substitute cheste 3 into minus 2, minus 6 minus 2 minus 8 divided by minus 2 minus 1 minus 3. That is you got c value is going to be 1 by 3, d value is going to be 8 by 3, combinedly that is 9 by 3 is nothing but 3. The answer is going to be 3 simply. Don't get confused. Here this is going to be quotient, this is going to be remainder, coefficient plus remainder divided by our divisor, that is divisor is going to be x minus 1 into x plus 2. Coming to trigonometry, right, trigonometry question, sin square 30 degrees minus sin square 57 degrees. We have a formula, that is sin square a minus sin square b equals to sin of a plus b into sin of a minus b. With that I am modifying this, then what you are going to get in numerator, a is going to be 33, b is going to be 57, that is 33 plus 57 is going to be sin 90 degrees into 33 minus 57 is going to be sin of minus 24 degrees divided by, I am converting this value into cos, cos is going to be 90 minus 21, it is going to be 69 degrees. We know cos c minus cos d formula, that's what minus 2 sin c plus d by 2 sin C minus D by 2. Now C is going to be 69, D is going to be 21 degrees. If you substitute here, minus 2 into sin of C is going to be 69 plus 21, that is 90. 90 divided by 2 is going to be 45 degrees into sin of 69 minus 21 is going to be 48. 48 divided by 2 is nothing but 24 degrees. Here sin inverse, sin of 24 degrees, sin of 24, you will get here minus. This minus is going to be cancelled. That is sin 90 is going to be 1 divided by 2 into 1 by root 2. That's what here indirectly root 2, that is 1 by root 2 you are going to get. Here we are having 1 by root 2. Okay, right? Coming to this, right, we need cos of A minus B into 3. We need cos of A minus B. I am writing equation for cos A plus cos B, representing with cos C plus cos D formula. That is 2 cos of A plus B by 2 cos of A minus B by 2 equal to 1. We know A plus B equal to pi by 3 means here we are going to get pi by 6. That is cos 30 degrees. Cos 30 degrees equals what? Root 3 by 2 into cos of A minus B by 2 equal to 1. That is 2 to get cancelled. I can write here cos of A minus B by 2 equal to 1 by root 3. I need 3 cos of A minus B. We know if you write in half angles cos theta equals to, that is we can write 2 cos square theta by 2 minus 1. With that if I write by using this, that is cos of A minus B, that is theta value is going to be A minus B, by using half angles, that is going to be 2 cos square of A minus B by 2 minus 1. This is going to be 2 into 1 by root 3 whole square means 1 by 3 minus 1. That's what 2 by 3 minus 1, that is minus 1 by 3. If I take 3 this side, 3 into cos of A minus B equal to minus 1. That is 3 into cos of A minus B equals to minus 1. It's a basic problem. We know formula 2 tan inverse of x equal to, if I convert into tan inverse of 2x divided by 1 minus x square is the formula. Here x equal to 2 by 3, I am writing that. If I write 2 tan inverse 2 by 3 as a tan inverse of 2 into 2 by 3 divided by 1 minus 4 divided by 9 equal to, we know that is tan inverse of k. I want k. The simplification is going to be k. That is 4 by 3 in numerator, in denominator 9 minus 4, 5 by 9, that is 3 3s. If I take to numerator, that is 4 3s 12, 12 divided by 5. Here 12 divided by 5 is your answer. Okay, from the basic formula, that is 2 tan inverse x equal to tan inverse of 2x divided by 1 minus x square. If you know, you are going to get an answer. Once again, see, I can write this is tan inverse of 1 minus x by 1 plus x. Equation solution by using that you have to say x value. That is tan inverse of 1 minus x by 1 plus x. We can write tan inverse 1 minus tan inverse x equal to 1 by 2 tan inverse of x. How means we know the formula tan inverse x minus tan inverse y equals to tan inverse of x minus y by 1 plus xy. Here in place of x we are having 1, in place of y we are having x. That is 1 minus x by 1 plus x. 1 into x is nothing but x. With that, if I take tan inverse x this side, tan inverse 1 is nothing but pi by 4. equals to, if I take minus, this side is going to be plus, that is nothing but 3 by 2 tan inverse x you will get. With that, tan inverse x equals to tan inverse x equal to 2 pi divided by 4 into 3, that is 2 to the, that is nothing but pi by 6 is nothing but x equal to tan of pi by 6, that is nothing but 30 is nothing but 1 by root 3. Coming to next problem, here see, this is hyperbolic trigonometry functions. This type of explanation always okay, wait, we'll connect once again. Once again we are connected, right? See, if you are preparing for ECET, డిప్లొమా సెకండ్ ఇయర్ కంప్లీట్ అయిపోయిన విద్యార్థులకి, అంటే తెలంగాణ ఆంధ్రప్రదేశ్లో ఈసెట్ 2026కి ప్రిపేర్ అయ్యే ఎవరైతే స్టూడెంట్స్ ఉన్నారో వాళ్ళు మా అప్లికేషన్ నుంచి ఎనీ టైం యాక్సెస్ చేసే విధంగా వీడియో లెక్చర్స్ని యూజ్ చేసుకోవచ్చు. కాబట్టి వన్స్ ఇఫ్ యూ టేక్ అన్ యాక్సెస్ యూ ఆర్ గోయింగ్ టు గెట్ 1 year వ్యాలిడిటీ, అప్ టు 26 May వరకు మీకు వ్యాలిడిటీ ఉంటుంది. దీని పాయింట్ ఆఫ్ వ్యూలో మా యూటిలైజ్ చేసుకోండి, ఆపర్చునిటీని యూటిలైజ్ చేసుకోండి. డౌన్లోడ్ అవర్ అప్లికేషన్, ఆల్రెడీ దిస్ లింక్ ఈజ్ గివెన్ ఇన్ అవర్ వీడియో డిస్క్రిప్షన్. యాప్ లింక్ ఉంది, యాప్ లింక్ నుంచి డౌన్లోడ్ చేసుకోండి. ఈసెట్ 2026 ఎనీ బ్రాంచ్, అది ఈసీ కావచ్చు, కంప్యూటర్ కావచ్చు, ట్రిపుల్ కావచ్చు, సివిల్ కావచ్చు, మెకానికల్ కావచ్చు, వీళ్ళందరూ స్టూడెంట్స్ మా యాప్ నుంచి వెళ్ళి వీడియో లెక్చర్ చూసుకోవచ్చు. ఎనీ టైం యాక్సెస్ చేసాం. వీడియో లెక్చర్ టాపిక్ వైజ్ ఎగ్జామ్స్ ఉంటాయి, అండ్ ఆల్సో మెటీరియల్ కూడా దానిలోనే ప్రొవైడ్ చేయడం ఉంటుంది. కాబట్టి కాంటాక్ట్ అవర్ నెంబర్స్, ఓకే, దట్ ఈజ్ ఆల్సో గివెన్ ఇన్ డిస్క్రిప్షన్. గో త్రూ విత్ దాట్. ఇఫ్ యూ హ్యావ్ ఎనీ డౌట్స్ యూ కెన్ కాంటాక్ట్ అస్ అని చాట్ కూడా చేయండి. ఓకే, రైట్. ఎక్స్ప్లెనేషన్ అంటే మనం పేపర్ ఎక్స్ప్లెనేషన్లో కనెక్ట్ అయి ఉన్నాం, రైట్. కమింగ్ టు దిస్ ప్రాబ్లమ్, this is ECET 2025 in Telangana paper, that is cos hx is given, is asking cos h2x. We know the formula, that is cos h2x is nothing but 2 cos h square x minus 1. If you know cos hx, we can say cos h2x, if you substitute in this formula, 2 into 3 by 2 whole square is nothing but 9 by 4 minus 1, 2. That is nothing but 9 minus 2 divided by 2 is nothing but 7 by 2. See, complex numbers is a basic one. We can write this is cube root over I, this is cube root over minus I. In this form we can say either you can say this is root 3 plus I by 2 is nothing but root 3 by 2 plus I by 2. That is nothing but I can write cos 30 degrees plus 1 by 2 as I into sin 30 degrees. We need whole to the power of 6 means whole to the power of 6, we can say 6 theta. We can write this is as cos into 180 degrees that is 6 into 30 degrees plus I sin 180 degrees. Cos 180 degrees is going to be 0. Sin 180 degrees is going to be 0. Cos 180 degrees is going to be minus 1. Same thing here also, root 3 by 2 minus I by 2 whole to the power of 6 is there. This is also can be written as indirectly cos 30 degrees minus I sin 30 degrees whole to the power of 6 is there. Once again you will get a cos 180 degrees minus I sin 180 degrees. Cos sin 180 degrees is going to be 0. You will get here also minus 1. That is whole to the power of 6. Here you got minus 1. Is also minus 1. Answer is going to be minus 2. Right? This is the topics, right, in paper 2025 mathematics papers, that too calculus topics and matrices and partial fractions and also logarithmic topics and also trigonometry and complex numbers bits will connect with other problems within next session. Just follow our channel and subscribe our channel SREE Academy ECET for diploma based jobs and also diploma based preparation, diploma based ECET ki prepare అయ్యే స్టూడెంట్స్ అందరూ మన ఛానల్ని ఫాలో కావచ్చు. అండ్ ఆల్సో డిప్లొమా బేస్డ్ జాబ్స్ పాయింట్ ఆఫ్ వ్యూలో కూడా ఛానల్ని ఫాలో అవ్వండి. అండ్ యూ ఆర్ గోయింగ్ టు గెట్ ఈచ్ అండ్ ఎవ్రీ అప్డేట్ early only, right? Please subscribe our channel. Okay, that is SREE Academy ECET. Thank you for watching.